Morena te whānau, welcome back to another episode of A Māori Phrase a Day. I don't got my book, but I've been actually loving the ones I've been getting online, so I might just carry on doing those ones, to be honest. I'm liking them a bit more, but who knows, we'll see. So, today's Māori phrase, Whāia te iti kahurangi, which means pursue the highest treasure. I love this. This one to me means like strive for greatness. Personally, for this one, this means for me is what I've been doing for how many years now, is just trying to be the best version of me. I'm thriving to be the best version of myself, which is me pursuing my highest treasure. May look different to all our whānau out there, but the same sort of meaning applies. So whānau, whāia te iti kahurangi, pursue their highest treasure. And as always, if I'm incorrect or if I've mispronounced it, please comment down below so we can all get it right. And always remember, whānau, it's a good day to have a good day. So go and have a good day. Chara!